Best College Fantasy Football League, the SEC Fantasy Football League. We can only take SEC players. Play with some guys from Draft Countdown. Only 6 teams in this league, but only playing from one conference. And I have, my link goes to last year, so I'm gonna have to update that. But this is kind of an intriguing league where you get PPR, you get some return yardage points, not much. Quarterbacks score a ton, as always, so they go pretty early. That's how it works. So my team, I kind of waited on quarterback, and I ended up with Nick Marshall from Auburn, who's starting for them, Tyler Russell from Mississippi State. Both did not have a good week 1, and I'm pretty sure I lost week 1. My running backs I like, though, Todd Gurley from Georgia and Keith Marshall from Georgia. I'm probably going to play them both every week. I also took Brian Kimbrough from Vanderbilt as kind of the home run threat. Marlon Lane from Tennessee as a home run threat. Cameron Artis-Payne from Auburn, probably going to cut him. Receiver, Dante Moncrief, Ole Miss. Odell Beckham from LSU. I think he's going to be solid. Laquan Treadwell from Ole Miss. I think he'll be good. James Logan from Ole Miss. Not bad. I'm probably going to have to pick up someone else. Tight end, Kent Taylor and Clay Burton from Florida. They didn't do much. I'm going to need to do some work. Zach Hawker from Arkansas and Georgia's defense. So, yeah, not a great team. I really have not been successful at this league with it just being the SEC, having to go pretty deep. College, not always my game. So we'll see what happens with that.